Hi guys, I'm AD146. So a few days back I bought an Apple MacBook Pro from an Apple authorized reseller. So this is it. In this video I'm going to unbox it, give my review and show you the first time experience of using it. So if you want to watch and know all about it, then stick to the very end. So let's start the video. So this is my MacBook Pro 13 inches M2 laptop. So this is the packaging and this is what it looks from the outside. So now slowly I'm going to open this box. So as you can see, it comes in a paper packaging because Apple makes sure that it doesn't pollute the environment and struggles for a good cause towards protecting the environment. It discarded the plastic packaging long ago. So I'm going to unpack the MacBook Pro from this package caging right now. So this is the outer dimension and how it feels like to hold it. So slowly I'm going to open this and this is how it actually looks like. So this is the front surface. It has the Apple logo on it, as you can see. And it is actually not very heavy, but is actually heavier than Apple MacBook Air. I'm weighing it, as you can see. Now let's see the charging cable. So let me put this laptop aside and let's inspect this cable. So it has two C type ports on the two sides. So one you can connect to the adapter and one you can use it to charge your laptop. So let's see the instruction manual. This is how it's actually packaged, the MacBook Pro instruction manual. You have everything on how to operate and handle it. So as you can see that it was designed by Apple in California. Let's put this aside. So now this is the adapter which I was talking about. You can connect one end of the cable to it and the other end to the laptop in order to charge it. It is actually quite a long cable. Now let's come back to our MacBook Pro and the laptop screen. This DP is quite annoying, so I'm going to change it later. Now let me put my password, which I actually set when I configure it first at the showroom itself. So this is how it actually opens, and I want to close this email because I left it open at the showroom. So this is the file structure. You have the AirDrop, the downloads, the applications. As you can see, we have some applications here, the downloads folder, and this is the touch bar. You can increase or decrease and adjust the brightness. It has a maximum brightness of 500 nits and the animation is quite good. Now I'm going to connect it to my home Wi-Fi. I'm going to enter the password. After entering the password, I'm going to connect it. So as you can see, my laptop has been fully connected to my home Wi-Fi network. So after connecting to the Wi-Fi, let us explore the file structure. This is the applications part of the file structure. And we also have Apple Cloud and also recent. So this is the App Store of Apple. Here you can find some applications which you can install for your MacBook. So I'm going to search for Brave browser and let me see whether I can find it or not to install it on my system. As you can see, I'm not able to find Brave browser here, so I have to do something else in order to find it. I'm going to go to Safari, Apple's own search engine. I'm going to go to Google and then search for Brave browser in order to install it. I'm not going to install Chrome because it has many limitations and it has been given the title of the most vulnerable web browser in 2022 and in the upcoming years also. So I'm going to install Brave browser in this MacBook for now. So you have to search Brave browser on Google and click on download Brave for Mac. So this arrow over here, as you can see, is pointing towards the progress of the download. After the download is completed, we can mount it to the applications in order to install it and use it. The download is still in progress, and finally it's downloaded. Now I'm going to select this Brave browser and mount it to the applications. I'm going to simply drag and drop it, and then it will automatically install it into my system. So this is how it can be done. And we also have one icon on the desktop, whatever you can call it on Mac. So I have finally opened Brave browser. Let us open YouTube to test the sound quality of this MacBook Pro. Let me search for a non-copyrighted song to test the sound quality of this MacBook. So this is how it actually sounds like. Let me explore the other options. This is how you can increase the volume. The volume is maximum for now, and you can also control the brightness, as I already showed you. This is how you can slide and adjust the brightness. It's maximum for now. And you can pretty much use the touch bar for anything. You can open new tabs through it. You can save bookmarks and do other things as well. You can go to any part of the video directly from the touch bar, and also you can slide tabs or windows on your MacBook by using the touch bar. It's quite handy, and I feel it is a very good feature for Macs. And you can open any application through it also by simply navigating to the applications. And you can reload the screen. You can also go backwards. You can do some other functionalities as well. I haven't explored those as of now. So it's quite a nice feature in MacBook. I haven't seen that in Google or any other devices till now. So now let's see some other applications. Let's see photos. You can store your favorite photos here and manage all your memories. This is the Apple TV. I think that for the first 3 months you can view some series or movies for free, but after that you have to pay 99 rupees for each month. You also have Twitter already there in MacBook. I'm installing WhatsApp. This is Apple Music. Here also you can listen to music, but the first month it gives you for free, but after that you have to pay 99 rupees for each month. This is Apple Podcasts. Here actually you can listen to some podcasts for free, and I don't know whether they charge any fees or not. I have to see it and explore it a little bit more afterwards.
Hi, welcome back to Bake the Podcast.
You
with
can
me, Aisha Baker.
listen to any podcast.
Melissa and I work together.
This is Apple Keynote. Here you can manage your notes and stay up to date. And this is the minimize animation. I like this animation a lot, to be honest. These are the apps, you can see them one by one. And we also have some other apps as well. This is the maps. The resolution is quite good because it uses retina display. And this is the sliding bar from left side. You can slide it and use it. I haven't explored that now. Now let's come to the charger and see how you can plug in. So on the left side of your MacBook, you have two Thunderbolts, USB 4 or C-type ports. You can connect to one of them and charge your laptop. It does give a very good battery life of more than 20 hours. So this was the full video on how I actually used and the first experience I got while using this MacBook Pro M2 13 inches screen laptop. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. So this video was about the first time experience of using this MacBook Pro. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, then don't forget to like this video and share this video with your friends. And also subscribe to my channel so that you never miss an update whenever I post any videos on my channel. And until I meet you next time, keep exploring. Bye bye.